Okay, when I start up my Ram, I get a message. It says to perform service. When I look that up, everything directed to crankcase ventilation filter. So today I'm going to tackle that job. Hi guys, Kayak 2020 here, and today I have a 2011 Ram with a Cummins engine, and I'm going to change out the crankcase ventilation filter. Okay, so the first step here today is we're going to take off this cover right here, and the second step is going to take off this cover, and then we're going to get underneath there. Underneath here is where the filter is, and that's what we're going to be working on today. 8mm is the size of the nuts on this cover here. Okay, we also have to take out the engine oil dipstick. We'll stick the dipstick right back in here just to keep it safe, clean. Next step, take off the cover. Back here on this one, far left, you're also going to have a wire complex. So up here, just use one of your tools to take off any of your interior pop rings. Maybe. Let's see. Looks like it's going to be a little bit longer. I don't have a deep socket for the 8 on that size, so I'm just going to use that box in range. And here's the filter. Just lifts out like this. Mine's probably really dirty. I didn't really know it, but you're supposed to change this out at 67.5. That truck has a few more miles on it than that. Just almost at 172,000. So yeah, it's due. The new filter is a Fleet Guard, stock number CV52001 crankcase filter. Put just a little bit of old oil on that new O-ring to make it slip in there easier. See, the new filter is much cleaner. Definitely overdue on that. Okay, bring this over and put it back in. Put the cover back on. Make sure that my vent fills back up there. cover in place. Stick back in place. Just gonna snug these up a little bit. None of these require torque, they're just tight. Just to recap what I've done, I replaced the crankcase ventilation filter in the Ram Cummins 6.7 turbo diesel, and from what I understand they're pretty much all the same as far as how to do it. And what we got is the crankcase filter is underneath this cover, which means you have to remove this one, you remove that one, you pull the dipstick, you pull the cover, and you have some wires that are hitched back there to one of the bolts. You have a ventilation filter ring there. I took it all off, put a new one in. After completing the service, we will turn the ignition switch on. Don't start the engine. Press and release the brake 2 times. 1, 2, and fully depress the accelerator 2 times within 10 seconds. Turn this switch off. And if that doesn't work, try it again. We're going to try that. Get the perform service message one more time. Try that again. Turn on the ignition switch. Press and release the brake 2 times. Fully depress the accelerator. Pedal 2 times within 10 seconds. Turn the ignition switch off. Try this again. And it appears to have worked, because typically I would have had the perform service light back on again. We're right back down to where we were. Vehicle messages are 0. We're going to select that. There are no messages. Alright guys, Kayak 2020 here. I have effectively completed one more task on my Dodge Ram. If you like those, click subscribe. And if you want to be notified when I put a new one up, click the bell. Otherwise, I appreciate it. Thank you for watching my video. All right, have a good day.